What's going on, brother? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shota Sprung, and today I got my boy Hunt here with me.
What's up? What's up?
So in today's video, we're gonna be checking out the new Gundam Factory. So let's check it out. Okay, so that's the new Gundam Factory, and we're walking on the port right now. It is a cold Monday today, but it was hard to get the tickets. I think the first 2 days it was already sold out. So we're about to go check it out. So let's go see what it looks like. Do you know a lot about Gundam?
Nope.
So Gundam is like a Japanese sci-fi franchise about big robots, right? And it started in 1979. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know much about Gundam either.
It looks cool though.
And they already have one in Odaiba, like a big Gundam statue in Odaiba. But apparently this one actually like moves.
I see it.
Yeah, I can see the foot right now. We're about to go check it out. Okay, so when you buy your ticket, you get a QR code through your email. You get your own Gundam that you can build right here. Not even gonna lie, I used to build this when I was little. Like I'll buy this from the stores and just build them up. My biggest one was like a foot tall. So it's kind of nostalgic, to be honest.
12 seconds later.
You think it's gonna move? You think it's gonna move? It kind of just stopped. It's huge though.
It's actually huge.
Okay, so me and Hunter never really watched the show. Like I've seen the show when I was little.
I watched it when I was little too.
Yeah, like I've seen it on TV because I think everybody in Japan knows what Gundam is because worldwide, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's just Japan.
Yeah,
bro.
it is ridiculously popular in Japan.
One of the most popular animes of all time, I think.
Yes, and since it started in 1979, it's grossed over $80 billion.
Billion? With a B?
I'm pretty sure it's with a billion. That's crazy. So that's how popular it is. I mean, look how...
Yeah, so from what we read, the 40th anniversary was in 2019. This was built because of that.
That's crazy. So it was last year, the 40th anniversary. And if you like look closely, you can see that there's like different levels, like different floors to it, because you can actually go close up to it. Yeah. But unfortunately, the tickets for all that were sold out until
a while ago.
Until like next year. So like end of January is like the next ticket that was opened up, and we didn't want to wait that long, so we had to come today.
That proves how popular
it is. Yeah. Okay, so they got a Gundam cafe here. But we wanted to get something that was like Gundam themed, and unfortunately didn't really have anything. The only thing they had were already like sold out. So it's only 11.
Yeah.
Wait, what? You know what time it opened?
10.
10, right?
We got the early tickets.
Yeah. So it just opened, but things are already sold out. That's how popular it is. It's like people came here super early just to get Gundam themed stuff. Okay, I was in line to buy food at the cafe, but I just heard an announcement saying that they're about to move the robot, so we're about to check it out for sure. Okay, so that's the whole show for the Gundam thing, and they play that every hour, so that's why even though I was in line at the cafe with Hunt, I had to leave, so like we didn't miss it. Yo, the show was kind of crazy.
Crazy?
Yeah, it moves super slow though. Yes, sir. What'd you get?
This is the lemonade.
Yeah.
The Yokohama lemonade. And then this one's like, oh no, this one's the lemonade. This is the blue soda or something. That's like the skyline, the Yokohama.
Yeah.
It's the skyline, the Ferris wheel that we just saw. This one, mine is the Gundam one.
This is kind of dope.
No, this is crazy.
Yeah.
I bet it's good too.
How much was it though?
$12?
About $12.
$13.
So it's like, for 2 of these, it was like $26.
I mean, you get to keep the bottle though.
You're right. How is it, bro? Is this lemonade?
Yeah, that's good.
The cap is kind of cool too. They got the Gundam head on it. What is it, kiwi? Oh, they got little kiwis inside. Kiwi, lemon, and then he has lemonade.
Hey guys, Shota's mad at me.
Yo, Hunter?
No, I accidentally, no, guys,
He threw away my lip.
Guys, listen to what I'm telling you. I did not throw his cap away. It was an accident. I was trying to clean up, and he was looking at his phone.
I got a message.
2020, man.
So there's a trailer right here, right? Inside this trailer, they have all of these toys that you can buy. Yo, and they also have limits of how many you can buy at once because they know people are about to be selling this on eBay. So we're about to check inside the trailer real quick, see what kind of toys they have.
Like, can you imagine? Like, I'm excited by this, and I'm not a grown man. Yeah. Like, imagine if Kid Hunt was here, I would be going crazy.
That's true. Okay, so there is a gift shop for all the Gundam stuff, but the line is ridiculously long, so I don't think we're gonna wait for that.
I really want to get stuff though.
Yeah, I mean, so when you first walk in, there's a huge wall right there where you can write down like a message to like Gundam.
2030, 50th anniversary.
So he's writing them a message. In 2030, make him fly.
Gundam. I watched the shows when I was a kid. It's super cool. One more step. We just need to have it take off. You know the vibe. And I don't know where else they could do this but Japan. Like Japan, we take this really seriously.
Yeah, we do.
This is important to us.
All right, so that was the whole Gundam Factory. Right behind us, we're leaving right now. Yo, what's your final thoughts?
I'm jealous of the guys. Their whole job was to design that.
Yeah, that's
like just make kids' dreams come true.
It's so cool.
Cause I'm not even a kid, and like pure like serotonin, bro.
Yeah, because I don't think the video does it justice. Yeah, like how big it actually is. It's massive when you're like standing right in front of it.
And it's in Yokohama. It's pretty, you know. Like,
yeah, super nice place.
It doesn't do the view justice.
You're right next to Yokohama Bay. Super fun place to go to. Like I'm glad we came today.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and we came like right after it opened, basically.
Pure serotonin, bro. Yes. I'm just like, it made me happy.
Hope you guys liked it. If you guys ever get the chance, hopefully you guys can come visit Gundam because it's crazy. Like it's super fun to come visit. Hit that like button if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like our content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, we finished. Look at it.
It's huge. It's massive.
It's ginormous.
Life-size Gundam.
We finished.